What's good, folks? It's your boy Dookie back again with B.A.N.G, budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. I'm currently in the middle of doing a video for this right here. This is the PicTech backlit gaming keyboard with the mechanical feel. It's got macro keys and all of that. There's a little palm rest. So I'm checking out. I'm actually having some problems with it where I don't know, man. It's crazy, but I'm gonna do the review, get back to that. I'm also in the middle of this right here. Shout out to Snap Power. They sent me over a few things, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna do this one. It's gonna be real nice. This will probably be the next actual video you see from me, because this right here is something real quick I wanted to get into. Because hold on, let me get this out the way. This keyboard right here has my comments blowing up. People are constantly leaving me all types of comments. This is my Gasky mechanical keyboard. I did the review of it here. Yeah, here, right here. Man, it's been, I don't know what happened. You know, people showed the love when I first did it, but over the last couple weeks, it's been blowing up, man. The views are crazy. I mean, I respect, man. I thank everybody, man, who's been leaving a comment, man. I appreciate that. You the real MVP. Okay, I stopped doing my other review because I got the notification that this comment came in from Daniel Tehran Morales. I apologize if I'm butchering your name, but I appreciate you leaving the comment. And one of the things about this keyboard is that it's a knockoff. It's a rebranded version of other keyboards. You're gonna find this out there with other names. From my understanding, the Aukey KM-G3 is one of the most popular versions of it. Also, I want to say Motospeed might be the original. Please do not hold me to that. But Daniel, we'll just stick with Daniel, says, have you ever tried to program each key color? Which I did not know was possible with this keyboard. He says that there's a video about it where the guy shows that you can with the Aukey version of this keyboard. I was like, sure, let me check it out, see what's good. Okay, now this is the video right here. I muted it because I don't really care, but he's kind of going back and forth with Jesse from Salazar Studios, who I actually check out. Great channel, about this keyboard. He has the Aukey KM-G3, and basically they've been going back and forth saying, no, this board is not reprogrammable by each key. And he's saying, yes, it is. Here it is. I'll leave the link to this video down here below so you can check it out on your own. I'm gonna try this to see if I can do this with my own board, so y'all come and follow me and see if it works. Alright, y'all, turn the lights off so you can see the keyboard better. We're gonna try this. Now, what he says that you have to do is that, you know, with this board, you can put it in custom mode. So you could go, you hit the function key, and you have your, you know, first person shooter, and then League of Legends or whatever, racing mode or whatever. He says that if you have it in this mode, that if you hit the function and home, it should blink. I don't know if you guys can see it. Hold on, let me see. All right, you see those lights blinking over there. All right, and all the lights have been turned off. Okay, he says that, you know, from here I should be able to hit a key and change the individual color. So with that, you see I just changed the color of this. Okay, you can cycle through the colors just like that. So I can essentially come up here and have my WASD be that, and I can change this. So now I have them all green. Let's see, I do stuff for Adobe, so I can have my keys down here be on, where's my rate? Let me make that red, because that's a tool. Yeah, so that's not all of them. You can even have enter, be whatever color you want. Wow, this is pretty cool. I didn't know that. And I'm guessing that I press function at home and that will save it. The blinking has stopped over here. There's no more blinking. And now if I switch it to another mode, let's say I switch back to the race mode, and I come back here, it's stuck in the mode that I put it in. Wow, that is pretty cool. So this is verification that with this keyboard, and I say this one right here because they're all rebrands. They're all rebrands of another board, and right now this is the Gasky KBM-MK01, and I'm gonna leave the link to this on Amazon down below. It's on sale for $39.99 right now. It's a great keyboard. I was using a bunch of different keyboards, testing them out lately, but I keep coming back to this. I just love the feel of the switches. I love the weight of the board, the customizable options. It's a great board. I would suggest that you check this out, or if you have this one, or the Aukey, or the Motospeed, or any rebranding of this just takes it up another level. So make sure you check it out. This was just a quick video that I wanted to get out to you guys, man. Make sure that you leave a comment below, like and subscribe, and holler at your boy, alright? It's Dookie, I'm out.